Welcome to the fourth installation of the ServiceNow series on ransomware defense. I'm Julian Azaret, Outbound Product Manager for Security Operations, and in this video, I'll show you how organizations can use ServiceNow security operations to adapt after an attack, mitigating the risk posed by ransomware. In previous videos, we introduced the first three phases of ransomware defense. In the first phase, we anticipated attacks using the configuration management database, IT asset management, and business continuity management. In the second phase, we protected important assets from targeted threats using vulnerability response and the MITRE ATT&CK framework. And in the third phase, we responded to a ransomware attack using security incident response for orchestration, automation, and organization. But ransomware is a growing threat. And with the next attack just around the corner, organizations need the ransomware response workflow to scale. We need to make attacks easier to recognize and response more efficient. So today, we'll use the Now platform to adapt our response for the future of ransomware attacks. In step 10, we train machine learning predictive intelligence on the problem. In step 11, we measure and predict response efficiency using performance analytics. By placing continually retrained automation in the initial steps of response and continuous monitoring of key performance indicators throughout, we'll be ready to adapt to new threats in greater volumes. Let's get started. As ransomware attacks increase in volume, we will see new threats, as well as variants and repeated use of known malicious techniques. So in step 10, we use machine learning and flow designer to help automated processes adapt to changing threats. In the Now platform, all your security data is in a single system of record. This enables organizations to continuously train machine learning to recognize new and emerging threat patterns in their own user-reported phishing data. This automates the initial phase of response at one of the most common and highest volume attack vectors. With a common workflow engine, ransomware response processes, automation, and orchestration are easy to change, allowing SOC analysts to drag and drop automation tasks in a visual editor. But more attacks also puts a greater burden on response resources and IT processes. So in step 11, we use performance analytics to measure what matters and predict response efficiency. Performance analytics allows organizations to measure their KPIs across past, current, and future projections for any of their data on the Now platform, all displayed in simple visualizations that are reusable across dashboards for different personas. To better optimize ransomware response processes, use performance analytics to review response performance, discover and address areas of improvement, and assess coverage gaps of associated MITRE ATT&CK techniques. No matter how prepared your organization is to defend against ransomware, ServiceNow is here to help. In this series, you've seen how to use the Now platform to prepare your defenses through proactive hygiene and planning. Risk-based preparation focuses on likely targets, business criticality, and interconnected systems that are most valuable with formal business continuity planning. Risk-based vulnerability management reduces the attack surface. Threat analysis in the MITRE ATT&CK framework directs attention to coverage gaps, and pre-built workflows connect security, risk, and IT operations with a common system for collaboration and accountability across critical participants, putting automation, analytics, and machine learning at everyone's fingertips. These 11 simple steps in the Now platform can help your ransomware response achieve rapid containment and cleanup, minimizing the impact to your security operations efficiency and your organization over time. Continuous monitoring for risks and controls, faster response through better prioritization, and centralized workflow automation with cross-functional workspaces. These are the key outcomes of a ServiceNow response that will prepare your defenses against ransomware. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.